What's up? What's up? It's been a while. Life is a mission. TV, what's up? Give thanks and praise to the Lord, you know? Yeah, man. Man, I create heaven and earth. And that's the reason why we say we're going up like age. And we're not coming down. Life is a mission. TV. All is well. All is good. Just continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Continue to tell a friend, you know, and just hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and share the video in your WhatsApp, whatever contact you have, your WhatsApp, share it on Facebook, you know, any contact you have, just share it. Help this channel to grow. Family oriented channel where you get your cook vlogs, you know, you get your drama, commentary, whatever commentary, whether general commentary or just normal commentary, you know, entertainment also. As you see, my last video before this was a video with Sizzla Kalonji performing live at the Kling Kling Oval. And you know the big one, which is the one that I really want to grow on this channel, because it will take you people, especially you people who is overseas, you know, who don't know Jamaica none at all, and the Jamaicans that is overseas for a while now, and because of one reason or the other, whether crime and violence, or, you know, someone just turning the back on Jamaica, you know, and for years don't remember what Jamaica look like, or don't even know certain places and certain parts of Jamaica, knowing that some places that this is in Jamaica won't ever see at the time when you now watch a video, you know. Yeah, because there's a lot of change going on in Jamaica, you know, and for the past 10-15 years, most of you who have not been here will live certain places when you might last when you come back, so make sure you have somebody locally can drive you know around or take you from the airport on the first day, make you get familiarized with the place, because there's a lot of change, especially some of the people who live Portmore side. You have to be careful, you don't take the Port Royal stretcher come and reach a 3-mile Marcus Garvey intersection there, so you know. Yeah man, which part Tinsupende there, the eardrum, yeah, because you might end up a go into Kingston back where you come from instead of going to Portmore. Plus who come in Spanish Town Road heading towards Spanish Town if you go Ochi or whatsoever, those flyover bridge. So the adventure part of the channel, I really want to get it off, but as I said to the people, for that get off the ground, this channel have to monetize where it can manage itself, because adventure takes cash to care. Yeah man, you do some outdoor cooking, outdoor adventures. Not to mention if you say you go out there, go camp for a night or two, you know, and we want to have all our, you know, necessary needs for those things in place with tents, you know, with utensils. Well, stove out type because we want to do the authentic thing, but we catch up with fire against stone and them something there. Yeah man. So just help the channel to grow. Anyway, my people, with that little reasoning there about the channel, promoting the channel, I want to do a short little video about these bosses out there. The bosses. These people who call themselves boss. I know a lot of you out there watching this video now who subscribe to this video, most of you are boss also. But you see, despite I am a boss at one point, I'm not now because I don't hire nobody now, but I'm a boss at one point, so I know what it is, and I never ever try to be a boss. I never ever try boss around nobody. At one time I have 5 drivers, I drive 5 cars for me, plus a set of driver, I drive bus for me. Well, them set of bus there, I was just a supervisor, but everything leaving in my hand, and I could have called myself boss. Me, hire driver, fire driver, hire doctor, fire doctor. Me deal with everything where money is concerned. The owners only come for money on weekend. Sometime every fortnight. Me do all the book work, me pay everybody. Me sit at that bus go road a morning time. You understand? And I have been called boss, and me tell them, say, no, me then I boss thing. Boss a slavery business. You know your work, you know your duty, just do your duty. And me is like, brother, no boss around here. You understand? For you do what you have to do, me not have to boss you around or playing a boss role. We just live like brother, we live like friends. Yeah. Until I own my own, where I say, me have 5 cars around out there. And I always tell my driver, them say, me and the boss, I uno the boss, I uno pay me, you know, say, I uno bring money come give me. So how me fi be boss? Me just provide something for uno earn, and uno carry money come give me. So uno are my boss, me and the uno boss. All uno have to do is just do what uno have to do, maintain my car in the way it's supposed to maintain, we fall on a uno responsibility, and make good. Me not have to play in a boss. So I don't like the word boss, but as me say, most of these people who call themselves boss intend to take advantage of the people them employ in more than one ways than one. And whether you're a boss out there watch this channel, I want you to go in the comment section and tell me if I lie me I tell, or just voice an opinion, because that is what this channel is all about, you know. When me come out and talk, what on voice in the comment section can only help the channel to grow and help me to come with some more topics. Tell me topics you don't want me come with in the comment section. That's so now help this channel to grow, you know. This channel is not for me alone, you know. It's for me and Uno. You understand? Once the topic is appropriate to talk about, I will. Right? So just voice one voice in the comment section. But as I say, most of these bosses are advantage takers, and most time them take advantage of who they employ, because most of the people them employ is people with no education at all, or just a little, where them probably can just sign them name and they might, you know, the regular. And because of that, most of these bosses might be financially wealthy, so they take advantage. You understand? Because watch it now. You hire me as a gardener. Basically, a gardener is somebody who keep your lawn neat and trim and thing, and probably keep your lawn itself, your yard space clean by sweeping. So you hire me as a day-to-day gardener to keep your place clean. Well, now bush now go cut every day, but me sweep up me this and me that. And you in between my job description might be say, boy, okay, make sure if the helper go to the road, me helper got like supermarket or whatsoever, or want like help around the place, me can help her also. Because you might hire a helper. That's my job description, a gardener. And in extension is to help like the housemaid with certain little things around the place. But after working with you for a few weeks, me notice you tell me say me fi clean up the dog coop and me fi bathe the dog. And that never in my job description. And if me refuse to do so, you're liable to fire me. So me want to look at work because I need cash to maintain myself, not to mention if me have a family. So through me not have great educational skills, me have to just hold on to what you say. So me start be a dog and all of them sitting there. At the same time, me I get 8,000 a week. And with the added dog bathing and cleaning, dog poo and dog coop. When me look, weeks on top of weeks, not even 1,000 add on for my $8,000. Advantage that. Because if you hire somebody else to do all that, you'd have to pay them and pay them more than that $1,000 there. So why not put 1,000 per mile when I encourage me? And as days go by, a month go by, me notice this train I get more wickeder. Because when me look, me hear say me have to start wash car. Remember now, you know, you and wifey car used to have, you and Ozzy car used to go at the wash yard, go wash. At 15 or $2,000 one. So that is like $4,000 or $3,000 for washing a car anytime on the car go. And say for instance, you do that 2 times a week. That is like $8,000 or $6,000. I'm going to cut off all of that now. I want to put that straight for me. So I'm going to add to my job description. And in adding to my job description with the dog poo, the dog cub, and the bathing of the dog, for weeks I still not see nothing change for my pay. But yet still, when I used to wash on a vehicle, where I cost on $8,000 or $6,000 a week, and when I can't take $1,000 out of that put on my pay, advantage taking. You understand? That is what me I talk about. The boss them take advantage of the people them with them employ because them I look down upon them. I don't have to respect these people. Because most of them not going to make on the kids clean that dog poo. Most of them not going to make on the kids cut no lawn. Most of them not going to make on the kids pack up no rubbish and draw out a door and put it in a rubbish bin. So the same person where you look down upon, where you hire, treat that person like somebody. And as simple that way I say, bosses must stop take advantage of the employers. When you employ somebody, man, you know, take no advantage, you treat them like somebody, no matter where you employ them to do. If I have a clean field, you treat them like somebody, not treat them to you employ them with clean field. Because remember now, the whole of it couldn't becomes rich and educated because there would be nobody to clean the field. And this world would be a messy world. Like the housewife now. The housewife, this description is a clean, wash, and probably look after something to eat, cook them in general, and press. All of a sudden now, you know, remember, you know, wifey have car, Ozzy have car, and all of a sudden, Ozzy and wifey stop go how you call it? Supermarket. Housewife have to start take bus and taxi to supermarket. And that wasn't in the job description. You understand? That wasn't in the job description. So that is an added pressure upon housewife. You understand? So these are the things that I say, hire the people them, give them a job description. And it's like the more them did at the place I work, the longer them did, I want to add to them job description. But yet still, no cash now add to them pay. That's advantage taking. And this is where we are saying we need them something we have to stop. Because we feel like such a wealthy or we have money, we have to take advantage and abuse the less fortunate. And then now, because we don't know 10, 20, 30 somebody out there line up for the same job. So if this person will walk off or left it, we don't have no problem. Because it not take no long to get nobody, because I want to walk out, you get a knock. Or you hear your phone ring. 20 somebody ready for the same job, the one job. And this is how we have beat us. You understand? And this is why most of these workplace people can't even negotiate. Most of these workplaces are talking about contract. We are not protected anymore by, let's say probably by government. Because government allow these people, these company to talk about contract. Them don't hire you to the company no more. So all that responsibility that the company is supposed to have. So if you did your work and the work where you do, you drop off a signal or something wrong with your company, no response to you because of contract you're under. If you run some machine and piece of this chop off, company no response to you. So no matter how much years you did at work, a contract you work on, so there is nothing to protect your safety and your well-being. And me see this as an advantage. We, and when I say we, me kind of put myself in the position as the person where I speak on the matter. Because we are the persons who keep growing this company. We are the person who is doing the dirty works for you by cleaning your dog poo, sweeping up your yard. You understand? And we have been treated with no respect. We have no guarantee of safety where the work is concerned. We can't come and work tomorrow morning and hear say we contract terminated. We can't come and work tomorrow and hear say we no longer need your service. Look how much years you did at work. No respect. And this is what I say, in general, all of the boss them, majority of the boss them is on using the people them where they might employ in the best way they can. So all on the boss out there, I'm just simply asking, just treat the people them want to hire as a human being. Treat them with respect. Just as you want them to respect you, treat them with respect. Look out for them well-being also, not because of the description of the job what them do. You look down to them any different from a man in the office write up the books. A man with him great education, him diploma and PhD. Let us treat each one with respect. No matter what kind of work he might do. No matter what you hire him to do. Because you treat the man when you clean your dog poo, you look down upon him, so. You understand? But you have your big company and your CEO for the company, or your general manager, or your auditor, or your accountant, you look upon him, so. With the difference, because he is educated and me or the man that we are clean your poo not educated. Eh? Come on, me I keep you clean more than even the man we look up to, so. Because if me not clean your dog poo and clean up your place, you're going to left in a mess because you're not going to do it. So pay me the same respect as you pay the man you look up to, so. Where I help bring in your investment. If I help bring in the investment, me I help keep your place clean. So balance the thing and have a balance. Don't treat none more than none. Because as me said, the whole of we couldn't ban for you look up on, so. Else you don't have nobody where you look down upon this, so we clean your dog poo or your yard. So bosses, treat each one of your worker on the same level. None of your workers must be looked up on and some and you look down upon some. Treat the whole of them on one level. The whole of them are worker, but the whole of them have different job description, different level. But treat them as one. I'm tired to see it, man. Tired to see boss I look down upon them own workers because the category of work where them have to do. And you as the boss not going to get up and do it. You're not going to make your kids do it. You didn't even call a family member to do it. So life is a mission, people. As I say, I never come to stay long. But from last week, it arrived me to do that video, yeah. And I just can't get the gun. I just say, no, so I finally do the piece of that video, yeah. Because I want to get it across. Because I see it happen yesterday. Where a boss I look down upon the worker because of the worker description, job description. And deal with the worker like as if, Chuck, me no need you. You don't need him, but you're going to need somebody else after you run with him to do the same thing what him I do. So you want to tell all of them say you don't need them because what? At the job description, so you look down upon them. But when you run with him and you run with him and you run with him, you still go and take somebody else after. Because you not going to do it, your kids not going to do it, and you're not going to call none of your family if you do it. And this is the reason why you look down upon them. So boss, me I beg you, stop treating our workers in the manner we not treat them because of them job description. Even somebody man they will say them have education and them sitting there, them boss treat them certain way too, So it's not only certain people who are do certain low value job then put it that way there. The boss them treat bad now. Because you have some of them claim say them a manager and them a supervisor a place where the boss treat them like too. So it goes out for even them people there. Bosses who must treat on workers good. Without the workers who are nobody. Life is a mission, people. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. You understand? See if I can go to another video before the weekend is out. Because it may take too long because the main channel I take up the whole of the time. I may not have much. You understand? So, thanks for watching again. Stay tuned for another video. God is good. God is great. Going up just like age, not coming down. So just stay focused, my people. Life is a mission. I'm out.